guys. Don't mind my hair, I just went surfing, but since I've done that, my board is looking a little bit rough. It was kind of hard to surf because the wax is getting sand in it, so we're gonna go over how to wax your surfboard. If you're not sure how to tell if your board needs to be re-waxed, what you look for is sand and yellow discoloration in the board. Okay, so the main components that we need are wax, wax remover, and a wax comb. That's it. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start with our wax comb. I'm gonna use the flat edge, and we're just gonna start scraping it off. This comb actually has a pointy tooth edge, so when I was doing that, it hurt. So I'm gonna hold it from this end. You can already see. Who would have thought this board was so beautiful underneath this disgusting yellow wax? That alone is a good enough reason to change your wax. Why spend money on a beautiful surfboard when it looks like crap? This whole process will probably take about 10 minutes to get all the wax off, not too bad. All right, we're about halfway done. You can tell this board has not been done in a while. There is a lot of residue, but it's going pretty good. We're almost at the end. Few more pushes and we're ready for the next step. You can tell that this board had several layers of wax. It was super thick and caked on, so it took me a little bit of time. Make sure you clean that crack here, get it real clean. Looks pretty good. So all that's left is a little bit of residue. So if you really want to get technical, you can use wax remover. This is by Sticky Bumps. Other brands make it, but you just get paper towel, put it on, and wipe it around, and that's it. But I'm not going to do that. We'll skip that step. All right, we've got a couple wax types. I've got Sticky Bumps and Foo Wax. I'm going to choose the Sticky Bumps because stickier the better. So to start anywhere you like, and you're just gonna do a circular motion, and you're just gonna cover the entire board. Pretty simple. You wanna make sure to cover the entire board just because you never know where you're gonna put your feet, and the purpose of wax is to create traction so you don't slip off. You can already see the board looks way better. It's blue again instead of yellow, so that's nice. Halfway there. I like to get towards the rails because your hands kind of grip there when you're in the water before you're taking off. You don't want to slip. All right, look at that. Brand new looking, beautiful blue. Got this it's so sticky, it's stuck to my fingers. So I'm probably gonna need the removal to get it off, but looks good and we're ready for action. All right, guys, hope you learned a little bit about how to wax your surfboard, and we'll see you out on the water. Bye.